Break news coming in regard to the Noida dowry. Accused has been shot at by the police, but he hasn't been killed. Do remember that the family was demanding that the accused in the case, the man, the husband who Nikki had been married to for the last 9 years. They had a 6-year-old son who was witness to the crime, the horror that unfolded, where they slapped the woman, they pulled her hair. It was not just him, but also his mother and father who were involved in the crime. Do remember that the family is on the run and is missing, but it is the husband who has now been arrested in the case. The demand of the family, the father had gone on to say that there should be an encounter in which the accused, the alleged man responsible for the death of Nikki, who was seen limping down the stairs while she was set ablaze by the family, the family that she was married into. Tanushka, my colleague, joining us to get us details. Tanushka, this was the demand of the father, saying that there should be an encounter in which the man should be shot, and now from what we are hearing is that the police has shot at him. However, he hasn't been killed. Where did this happen?
Well, we do know that this happened when, we understand this from our sources, that this happened when Vipin Bhati, the accused in the case, was trying to escape from police custody, is what we're given to understand, is when he was shot in the leg by the police. So yes, there has been an encounter between the police and Vipin Bhati. This is the, husband of the deceased Nikki, who set his wife ablaze on fire while she was still alive and, burnt her to death. This is with respect to an alleged dowry case. Vipin Bhati was married to Nikki for the last 9 years, and over the course of these 9 years, he has been asking her and her family repeatedly for more dowry in terms of money, and this happened. In the end, he set his wife ablaze for rupees 36 lakhs, which is when, he was going on asking for the sum of money from Nikki and her parents. But when Nikki's parents and Nikki were not able to, provide further, they'd already provided with a car, very expensive bike, further money as well, as and whenever needed, gold also in terms of jewelry. But when they failed to provide with this sum of 36 lakh as well, is when Vipin decided to set his wife ablaze on fire. And now, after he has been in police custody, remember this incident happened on August 21st in Sirsa of Greater Noida area, and today he has been shot in the leg by the police while trying to escape police custody, is what we're given to understand.
Right, Vipin Bhati has been shot in the leg. He hasn't been killed. This was an encounter that took place. He was trying to escape the police. The police have arrested the man. This is the man responsible for the death of his wife, who he had been married to for the last 9 years. She was set ablaze. Well, Tanushka, just after this incident, he had gone onto social media saying that the world is calling him a killer because she left him, and that it was a suicide. And that is, the twist that he was trying to put on this particular attack that was caught on camera. In fact, where she was, trying to limp down the stairs, is the son, the 6-year-old son, who had to relive the horror, saying that it was the dadi and the father who did this. It was the father who set her ablaze, and before that, he even slapped her, dragged her by her hair, pulled her hair. Take us through, how she was tortured, and it's the sister who, apparently the link is that the sister is married to the elder brother of the accused.
Right, yes, we do understand that her elder sister Kanchan is the one who got all of this, this entire incident on, not just on video, but she's also the same person who filed the FIR complaint against Vipin Bhati, not just Vipin Bhati, but also his parents, that is Nikki's in-laws, mother-in-law Daya and father-in-law Satyavir, and also the brother-in-law Rohit. So there are these 4 people who have been involved in torturing her and assaulting her, harassing her over the last 9 years as well. This is not just, something that happened off right now, but this has been brewing. This is what Kanchan has said in her complaint as well, that this was pre-planned. And as we can see in the horrific visuals of Nikki being set on fire and her trying to, half on fire, she's trying to climb down the staircase while her 6-year-old son had to witness all of this. Her 6-year-old son also spoke to NDTV and said that he saw his father light his mother on fire. Now that is a sight for a 6-year-old, merely a boy, seeing his mother being burnt to death by his own father. And in terms of investigation, the three other people, that is the mother-in-law, father-in-law and the brother-in-law, still absconding, and police teams are across NCR trying to track down these three accused as well. They have been named in the FIR too.
It's not just the son, but also the sister Kanchal, the elder sister that you mentioned, who's also, so basically two sisters got married to two brothers. Nikki was married to this man for the last 9 years, since 2016. And these demands have been coming along all through ever since, Nikki got married to the man. And of course, the sister was there when this crime unfolded right in front of her eyes.
Right, yes, and we spoke to Nikki's father as well, and he told us that it's been, when they were fixing up the marriage, it seemed like a good family, a good man this seemed like, and he sent off his daughter very happily. It was a very grand wedding is what he told us, and even after that he told us that throughout these 9 years they've given whatever the in-laws family has demanded for. Remember, Nikki also used to run her own salon. She had her own business, and her father is the one who helped her out with it in terms of capital investment. And even the returns from this salon is something that her husband Vipin Bhati kept on pressing on to, in terms of giving him money from whatever she earns from her salon. And this is when further details are also came out when we spoke to the father. He said that Vipin Bhati was also allegedly having an affair with someone else, and this is when Nikki said that she will, live aside, by herself in a quarters within the same household itself, but live aside just with her son. That is all she wanted, is what her father tells us.